Slowly.
You think you got the ride, and I think you
Mommy,
And I'm still Big Mom.
my name's David. I'm 12. I'm Harper. And today we're going to do Sun's husband. And our son's subject is don't pause. Don't pause. And today we're going to do a science project. And it's a soda volcano. I bet you running with that is. We'll show you. So, we have these sodas, and we're going to put these in. And we're going to put Mentos inside it. Then we're going to see what the reaction is. Are you guys ready? Yeah! Alright guys, first step. Now open your Coke. First step should open your Coke. Second step is you're going to get one Mentos. Yeah. Yeah. Everybody stand up. That's your goggles. Goggles. Yep. Yep. Now we're going to count to 3. And we're going to drop them in. 1, 2, 3. Back up! Back up! Be prepared!
Harper, put yours in.
Let's be careful. Let's be on the hot bugs. Oh, look at all that. Look at all that.
So what was the reaction?
It's falling. It's falling.
Like a volcano?
Yes. Yes, like a volcano. Yes. You guys want to do this again? Yeah. Yeah. Let's do it. Here. There you go. 1, 2, 3.
I don't think it happens the second time. So the reaction is only for the first time. We don't get a reaction, right guys?
Oh, I wanted more. I wanted more.
So,
Big reaction.
Big reaction.
Big reaction.
hey, are you gonna get them? Be careful. Oh.
Watching our video. Make sure to subscribe to our video. Thanks for buying. Bye.
That's what we should have did.
Yeah.